I'm Katie. I'm here to tell you all about Short Table, the brand new folding miniature picnic table that you can take with you anywhere. Short Table is lightweight, sturdy, and durable. It's perfect for all of your outdoor needs, like hiking, camping, tailgating, pool parties, picnics by the beach, or concerts in the park. It's also great for anything you want to do inside. It's perfect for family game nights, movie time, kids playtime, writing, drawing, using your laptop on the floor. It's even great for romantic evenings by the fireplace. Short Table has billions of uses, or make up your own. And thanks to its unique all-wood design, each Short Table weighs only 5 pounds, is easy to carry, and it opens and closes in a flash. Thanks to Short Table, all your outdoor and indoor fun just got so much easier. Just click the Buy Here tab and order yours today.
The GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 20 is the perfect camp table for 2 people. A unique one-piece design with patent-pending telescoping legs, the table folds down to half its size. The Compact Camp Table 20 is quick and easy to set up. Just pull legs down and rotate tabletop together for use. The Compact Camp Table 20 is designed with a lightweight aluminum frame that supports up to 60 pounds. When it's time to pack up, rotate the tabletop. Then, using our patent-pending squeeze telescoping technology, squeeze the tabletop together and push down to compress. The Compact Camp Table 20 is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, and any outdoor activity.
Hello everyone, I'm here to show you the new aluminum folding camping table. So it has a very easy design, simply unfolds like this, and then you have 2 bracer bars. You simply snap one in place just like this, and then take the other one and it snaps in place just like this. Now the top of the table has this accordion style top to it. Simply undo the straps and then it snaps into place right on the top. So there's 2 bars under here, and you simply snap the bar here for one corner and then line it up with the other corner, and then you can snap that in just like that, and that side's done, and then come over to the other side and then it snaps into place there, very easy, and then that snaps into place there, and there you are. You have your own camping table. Has a very sturdy design. It's not wobbling or shaking at all. Looks pretty good, and you can put your drinks on it, or you can put some food on it, or when you're camping, it's just good to have a table, keep things off the ground.